In this video, I will show you how to fix Disney Plus error code 83. First, check your internet connection. Error code 83 is often caused by connection issues, so make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. Next, restart your device. Turn off TV, phone, tablet, or computer and wait for 30 seconds. Then turn it back on and launch Disney Plus again. If the error continues, completely close Disney Plus app and reopen it. On mobile device, remove the app from your recent apps before opening it again. You should also clear the Disney Plus app cache. If you're using Disney Plus on a website, then you want to clear the cache of that website. Next, update the Disney Plus app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Disney Plus and install any available updates. If you're watching Disney Plus on a website, then you want to update that web browser. If you keep seeing the error 83, then restart your router or modem. Unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in and wait for internet connection to fully restore and then try opening Disney Plus again. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the Disney Plus app. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.